Experiencing a blinking green light on your Rogers modem means it's connected to Rogers' network, but can't access the internet. The green LED, often labeled online or DS, should be solid green for full connectivity. A blinking light indicates a downstream connection, but no upstream internet access. This is usually a registration problem. Your modem isn't authenticating properly with Rogers. The modem must register with the company's cable modem termination system to receive an IP address and internet permissions. This issue often stems from DHCP problems, where the modem fails to obtain a valid IP address, outdated firmware, or weak cable signals. Rogers acknowledges these problems, especially after firmware updates or power outages, attributing them to temporary registration delays. About 15 to 20% of modem-related complaints involve this issue. Let's go through the troubleshooting steps to fix the blinking green light issue. Start with the simplest solution first. First, try a power cycle. Unplug your modem from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves registration issues by resetting the connection. Next, check your cable connections. Make sure the coaxial cable is firmly connected to both the modem and wall outlet. Then, access your modem's web interface at 192.168.0.1 to check signal strength. If the previous steps don't work, try a factory reset. Use a pin to press and hold the reset button on the back of your modem for 10 to 15 seconds. Note that this will erase any custom settings. If nothing else works, contact Rogers support. Use the Rogers app or website for a remote reboot or diagnostics. You may need a remote reset or, in rare cases, hardware replacement. Some users have success by disconnecting the coaxial cable, waiting 5 minutes, then reconnecting. Also, ensure your modem firmware is up to date, at least version 7.11.34 for CODA 4582U models. Remember, this is usually a software issue, not hardware.